Very good, everyone. Let's get into another explanatory video of a commented operation. In practice, what we do every day on Wall Street is buy and sell our shares, aiming to make a financial gain from it and a multiplication. Month by month, year after year, okay? What happened here at this moment? This was an operation that we went through. We started the year with it. Basically, on December 18th, guys, this company, Zillow Group, is a real estate marketplace where people list their properties for sale. And he manages this, basically, it's a company that has been on a pretty strong upward trend since June. It's been rising here by almost 100%, looking really good. But what happens? The market, every time there are upward movements, there are also correction movements. And these correction movements, for us who are keeping an eye on the market daily, can present opportunities. We filter this movement. We understood that it was in a downward trend, and here was indeed an investment opportunity. Okay, so basically, how was this done? Even if the stock is falling, we do an operation called short, meaning a selling operation. We sell the stock and buy it back at a lower price, making a profit from that difference. All right? So in this movement here, it marked a very important point. Initially, we made a sale here at $72.40. It took 1 day, 2 days, 3, 4, 5, 6 days to start giving us a profit. It made a correction, and then on the 6th day, it started giving us a profit. Then on the 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th day, this profit reached up to 5.8%, okay? And now I want to do some calculations with you, because showing it this way, many people can't grasp the real value of this operation. So basically what was done, we sold 330 shares at $72.40. So this was an operation where I personally invested $23,000. There are subscribers who invest more, subscribers who invest less, depending on each one's financial capacity. So I bought here, times 70 and 72.40 times 72.40, and that indeed gives us 23, so we're $92. This is the calculation. The big question is that this movement, which is here at 68.26, has a difference between the entry price and at this moment of $4.14. So I'm making money, $4.14 at this moment, times 330 shares that were sold, basically $1,366 in profit. Okay. At this moment, in 12 days, $23,192 was invested. We identified this downward opportunity, we informed our students, and together we carried out this operation. Here, $14. It's the profit, the difference that is currently between the sale and the current moment. Times the 330 shares that we had, the profit is at $1,366. This may seem small, but I want to bring you this perspective. What is this perspective? This perspective is a capital growth chart. So let's say you start with $10,000. Okay? And here we have available in the American market some ways to invest our $10,000. So basically we have government bonds that pay around 4% per year today. Bonds. We can have a selection of bonds. Even finding bonds that pay 8% per year. This operation of ours is $1,366. It represents on top of a capital. Operational capital, let me go back to doing the math. Here, $136. Our operational capital at the brokerage is $100,000. Okay, this $1,336 divided by the $100,000. It's a profit of 1.33% gain in this operation over 11 days, considering all the operational capital. So I invested 23 in 11 days. It dropped. And this result of 1,366 It represents 1.33% of my entire operational capital in this single operation. Okay. And then, if we take that 1.33 and multiply it by 12 months, let's say we manage to do one operation like this per month only. We can do much more, but just to make it tangible for you, we have a return of 16% here. So, if I replicate this operation once a month with this gain, it only gives a return of 16%. Our low target when we operate in the market is 24% per year. So what I brought for you, a capital evolution, consider if investing in bonds is worthwhile and learning this operation, our goal. By doing this type of operation, as you are seeing live, because it's happening, and also the operations that our goal is at least 2% per month, which gives 24% per year, and even more. The big question, folks, is this. When we have 10,000 invested in bonds in 20 years, remember short-term actions, long-term vision, in 20 years our $10,000 will be at $22,222 if I simply buy American bonds in 20 years. If I can finding bonds. At this percentage, it goes to $49,268. My initial $10,000. It practically multiplied by 5 in 20 years. If with this operation of mine at 133% and I replicate it, achieving this result month after month, that's why I'm going to study, I'm going to learn, I'm going to keep an eye on it, I'm going to be around people who are already doing it. My $10,000 will go to $240,000. Look at the difference, folks. That's why it's important to value small amounts like 1,800, 1,500. The sum of this, look at the difference. And if we reach the goal, thank God, we've been hitting the target for many years. But what if we can help you achieve that? At least 24% per year dollars, starting with just 10. Obviously, this will encourage you to put in a little more next month, save a little more, invest a little more, because you'll see this capital curve working in your favor. So, that's what I wanted to explain to you. How do we use these short-term operations? 11, 12 days, this is for an investor profile. That's where it is for those who are bolder, who have the desire and the willingness to follow the market daily. You can achieve this. Significant leverage in 11 days. Here on the channel, you'll see the longer operations. Also, for you who have a profile. More conservative, who has less time in the market. In other words, we are here with total and complete support for you. Basically, this is an educational video and from the heart. I hope it was helpful for you to understand how these operations work. All right, take care, everyone. A hug, goodbye.